Today, we will be looking at how AI is replacing project managers, truth or myth. Traditional project management involves planning, executing, and closing projects. Key components include defining project scope, allocating resources, and managing timelines. Effective communication and risk management are critical for project success. AI tools automate project management tasks, including scheduling, resource allocation, and risk assessment. Automating project management tasks with AI increases efficiency by streamlining workflows. AI-driven automation in project management reduces operational costs by minimizing manual effort and errors. AI algorithms analyze historical data and project requirements to create optimized schedules. AI identifies potential bottlenecks within schedules, adjusting timelines dynamically. Dynamic scheduling reduces the risk of delays and improves project predictability. AI efficiently allocates resources by matching skills and availability to project tasks. Optimal resource allocation ensures the right people are working on the right tasks. AI-driven resource allocation minimizes downtime and maximizes resource utilization. AI tools analyze project data to identify potential risks. AI predicts the impact of identified risks, enabling proactive risk mitigation. Proactive risk mitigation minimizes potential consequences and improves project success rates. Project managers can adapt to the rise of AI by focusing on tasks that require human intelligence. Strategic planning is a key area where human project managers maintain an advantage over AI. Team leadership, requiring empathy and nuanced communication, remains a uniquely human skill. Effective stakeholder management, involving relationship building and conflict resolution, is difficult for AI to replicate. Project managers should view AI as a tool to augment their capabilities, not as a replacement. Leveraging AI allows project managers to focus on higher-level tasks and strategic decision-making. AI tools enhance project manager efficiency and effectiveness by automating repetitive processes. The future of project management involves a collaborative partnership between project managers and AI. AI handles routine tasks, such as scheduling and data analysis, freeing project managers to focus on strategic oversight and decision-making. This synergy between AI and project managers leads to more efficient workflows and successful project outcomes. Project managers provide leadership, creativity, and critical thinking, complementing AI's analytical capabilities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.